Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from after I upload it, then yeah, the video is going to look, or I should say the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of everything. So last video I did was on Friday. So going into Friday, obviously have all weekend long. And the big question was, revolving around this area here where things were looking kind of shaky. And it was kind of a question of, okay, well, it bounced, but was it going to roll back over? What exactly was going to occur? And as of now, I would say it was a very bullish weekend. Not in this, bullish in the sense of the price skyrocketed upwards or anything like that, but definitely very bullish in the sense of, well, at least the price just essentially went sideways. It did not, roll back over or anything like that. So to offer up a little bit more context, looking at things from more of the bigger picture, the price is still doing a very good job of just, consolidating and keeping itself up in this general area of the chart. And that's a good sign. Again, not necessarily exciting in the sense of, when the price is exploding upwards like it was right there, but from a grand scheme of things, definitely healthy that the price is, chipping away and working on building that overall higher base. So the first question to ask, and let's just say you're watching this video 15 hours from after I upload it, but question number one is revolving around that level right there at 52.50. And just, the question is nothing complicated, but where's the price at relative to 52.50? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above that level, well, that's telling you that at the moment you're watching this video, then the overall Bitcoin chart is still perfectly healthy. I mean, if you stop and think about it, the price could be all the way down here. So, could have gone down here. And if you're watching it, the price is just still, right there. Think about that with, what it would still be telling you from the bigger picture. That would still be implying that you have a low set of lows there. You have that low right there. You have some lows even down further. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, that would imply that the overall stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time, just going to make progress forward. And again, as long as you are answering the question that the price is above 52.50, that applies progress is still, being made. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below it, at that point, you would immediately want to ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this second green line down there at the 50.50 mark? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below there, which I'd be shocked if that would be the case, that would be a massive sign that the bears have are basically taking back over. Now, on the flip side of things, gutting things can go a long way. Common sense. If you're answering the question that the price is, way up there. So if you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, not only is the price up above 52.50, but now the price is up there above 5,700. Well, at that point, not only has this consolidation remained healthy, but the price has just gotten that much stronger as, the time has gone on. So we'll see what happens with it, but definitely a good weekend, and we'll see if the bulls can start to build upon it or not with a new week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.